In this video, we're going to be looking at speed time graphs. So we've already looked at distance time graphs, so this is just another type of graphs that you will see. So you can see we have our speed along the vertical axis and time along our horizontal axis. So in this graph here, we have three stages. We have A, and that's an object that is increasing in speed. And then B, the object is moving at a constant speed, and then as soon as the slope is going down, the object is decelerating. Okay, these questions are okay just as long as we remember our distance, speed, time triangle. Okay, let's have a look at a sample question. So here, Joe merges onto a motorway and the first 10 minutes of his journey on the motorway are displayed on the graph. First question, what was Joe's maximum speed? Then, how far did Joe travel at his maximum speed? How far did Joe travel from minute 1 to minute 5? Then from minute 9 to minute 10, Joe's speed reduced to 0. Why might this be? So let's have a look at the first question. So that's easy. What was Joe's maximum speed? So we can see just from reading from the graph, so that is 120 kilometers an hour. Then, how far did Joe travel at this maximum speed? So we can see that he starts traveling at this speed at minute 6 and he stops traveling to speed at minute 9. So we have 3 minutes, and out of an hour, that would be 3/60. Now, going back to our triangle, we're looking for how far, so that would be distance. So we'll cover distance. Now we have speed times time. So our speed is 120. And our time, so we want it to be out of an hour. So I'll leave it as 3/60 because remember it's 3/60 of an hour. So 120 times 3/60, and that will be 6. And so that would be 610 kilometers. Because we're dealing in kilometers per hour, so the unit is 6 kilometers. Okay, let's have a look at the next question. So the third question then, how far did Joe travel from minute 1 to minute 5? So minute 1 and minute 5 here, and we can see during those minutes he's traveling at 100 kilometers per hour. So again, we have 4 minutes, but I want to write that out of an hour, so that would be 4/60 of an hour. Going back to our triangle, to always draw it to make sure you're getting these correct. So again, it's how far, so we're covering distance and we have speed times time. So our speed is 100 kilometers an hour. Our time now is 4/60ths of an hour, so let's multiply that using your calculator, and that gives 6.66, so the 6 is recurring then. So we'll write that as 6 2/3 of kilometers. So he traveled 6 2/3 of a kilometer from minute 1 to minute 5. The last question then. So from minute 9 to minute 10, Joe's speed reduced to 0. Why might this be? So think of this in realistic terms. You might be driving along a road, then all of a sudden there could be roadworks ahead, or there might be an accident and you will have to stop your car. So more than likely, this is what happens here. So let's write that in here. So there you have it. There may have been roadworks or an accident, so Joe had to reduce his speed to 0. Okay, any questions, please leave in the comments. Thank you.